Can't stop, ain't stop, too hot. Came out like the daughter of Leah and Tupac. And I popped from the jump, ain't nobody too shocked. And I'm out collecting rollies, you save up for G-Shock. Got a bag from...
Hey guys, what's up? It's Erika. Did you recognize me? I don't know. Can you recognize me? It's Erika and I'm back today with another All About My Hair. I love doing the All About My Hair series because I love changing up my hair. And that series seems to be one of your guys' favorites to watch. And I really like doing them. And I really like taking pictures for my Instagram anyway, so I'm gonna keep doing them. You guys should check out my Instagram. It's down below. But this hair right here, I just got it. I just did out the package. I got it today, and I'm already filming this video because I'm so excited. So let's get into this hair. I got this hair, this turquoise, teal, bluish, greenish. Yeah, that's what turquoise and teal is. This bluish greenish, icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me hair from glamtresses.com. And okay, so this is the Bobbi Boss, I'm reading it off my email. This is the Bobbi Boss Premium Synthetic Lace Front Wig, MLF 99. And it's called the Yani wig, Y-A-N-I. And the color that I got is TT2/TUQ, like for turquoise, shortened for turquoise, and I paid $34, but I didn't really pay $34 because they were having a sale and it had a coupon. So I was just waiting until they had a sale for you guys to get it. And if you go on their Instagram and follow them on Instagram, you also get a coupon from following them on Instagram, so you can use that coupon on Mondays and Wednesdays with whatever it is that you're buying. So yeah, I got it from Glamtresses. I got this box. I got it in this box right here. And it just comes with like care instructions for how to wash the wig and how to dry it and how to like take care of it. And it came in like a net, and it came with some tape in this little thing. I don't use tape on my wigs. Maybe I will use it right now. Right now, I have it just on with no glue, no tape, no nothing. I just have my hair flat twisted in about, I want to say like 8 rows. Very small because I like when my wigs are like flat to my head. And I have this problem where I get like hasty and they come out too big. Take your time. So yeah, this wig also has its safe heat styling, which means you can use a straightener and a curling iron on it. And it's not that long. I'll show you guys. It's not like the longest wig I've ever had in my life. It just comes to right here. And I am 5'11", and that's where it comes to on me. My neck's pretty long though, so it might come lower on you guys. It has a ombre to it. The top is black, and then it goes into this blue, but the black is kind of, it's like the black has a little pre-wash on it. Is that what you call it? Like when you have the washable dye? Like it's not straight black. Like sometimes it looks like green, sometimes it looks like blue, sometimes it looks black. So I think that helps the hair like blend into it. I'll show you guys the back of the hair. This is the back. Oh, the construction of the hair, there are combs on the inside. It has combs in the back, combs on the side. Not a comb in the front, but like the combs are like right here. And it also has adjustable bands inside the wig. So it has 2 adjustable bands, one on this side and one on the left side. It did have a lace right here. The lace was not hard to cut off at all because I've had really hard laces before and those are just not the move. They're very uncomfortable. This lace was really smooth. It lays really flat. It did have some flyaways, but I just sprayed my brush with hairspray, like the Got2b glue gel spray one, and I just brushed it down, and then that was fine. It doesn't come with baby hairs, but I don't necessarily feel like I need any with this one. I plucked the part a little bit. You could pluck it more. The part was like barely there when I got it. I felt like, so I had to pluck some of it, and I put some concealer and powder in the middle. Yeah. So that's all about this hair. It took 2 days to ship, and that was the free ground shipping. It takes 2 days, so you might as well get the free shipping. It said it's going to take more than 2 days, but it came here quickly. I'm really happy with this hair. It does not have a lot of shedding. It does not tangle that much. See, look, no. Well, there's like 3 strings, if you can see it. You guys see it? That's how much. There's not a lot of shedding at all. For the front part, I want to cut layers into it. I cut a little for some of the front. You can't even see, I can't even find it right now, which means I need to do more. I cut like some of the front to give it a little layered look for the pictures, but I want to do more because right now it just looks very one length, one dimensional. I really think this hair would look really good with some blonde curls, so I'm going to try to do that next, and I'll post a picture on Instagram if it comes out good, guys. Yeah, I really like this wig. I watched a video where this girl cut it into a bob, and I feel like if I ever get tired of this hair, I might do that, but I've never had a bob before, so I don't know how that would look. How do you guys think that would look? I don't know. Comment down below and let me know if you guys think when I get tired of this hair, if I should cut it into a bob. And if I do, I will definitely film it and show you guys. So leave your comments down below on how you guys feel about this hair. It's really soft. I think it's a really great buy. If you guys are trying to buy this, I think you should. I am a dark skinned woman. I'm not afraid of playing with color though. So if you guys are like your first time doing color, I think this is a good way because it like ombrés into the color, and every time I do color I make sure there's like black on the top. So yeah, I think this is a great investment. If you guys want to try some new colors, I'll gladly be your guinea pig. I love colored hair on me personally. Some people may disagree, I don't care. Don't comment that down below. If you guys like these all about my hair videos, please give it a thumbs up. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below. And if you guys want to see more hair videos, subscribe to my channel because I will definitely be coming with more. Definitely dyeing, cutting, trying, buying, everything. So subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys later. Bye!